Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's safety recap. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, along with toolbox of safety topic videos and leadership training videos. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the recap. I had the opportunity to visit several jobs this past week, and on the most part, everything looked good. I was particularly satisfied by the realization that crews with good team spirit were also highly productive. Now, there were a few noted items of safety concern, and I will address them a little later. But first, I would like to talk about investing in yourself. Investing in yourself is the least selfish thing you could possibly do. Let me explain. How many people count on you? A wife, a husband, children, your parents, other family members, your church, your community, and yes, even your co-workers. Add them up. Most people have a lot of people who count on them for various financial, moral, or spiritual support. If you're no longer here, how big a hole would you leave in how many people's lives? You are a valuable commodity to many people and in many ways. Furthermore, you are and should be valuable to yourself. All those people we just discussed that you are important to, aren't they important to you? Take the time, make the effort to invest in yourself. For example, do you maintain your personal hygiene? How about your wardrobe? Nice clean clothes? Do you get enough rest? And do you eat right? Do you exercise properly? Do you visit your doctor and dentist on a regular basis? And do you save your money for retirement or for that offhand rainy day? And most of all, are you careful at home and work? Value yourself first so that you can more effectively care for the ones you love and care about. The more you value your life, the more you value others' lives. On with the recap. Let's talk about what we're doing right here, these videos. I also do toolbox safety topics. Now, I was on the job this past week, and there was a toolbox topic safety sign-in sheet signed by every crew member. Upon closer investigation, I noticed there was nothing noted in the subject part of the sign-in sheet. When I asked the supervisor, he asked, "Do you have a topic sheet for me?" I told him to pull up my YouTube channel. He did, and he said, "I watch your videos every week. Do you have a sheet?" I told him to click on the description, and lo and behold, there was my entire script. I then told him to look at the email I sent him at the end of the previous week and click on the attachment. And once again, there was the written version of the video. He said, "Oh, so I can let my guys watch your video?" Yes, you can let them watch the video. Just document which video they watched, or you can print out the topic and cover it with them yourself. It's all there for you. Take advantage of it. Let's talk about care and maintenance of our respiratory protection equipment. Make sure you protect the equipment that protects you. When not in use, store respiratory protection in a safe and sanitary condition. Don't walk around with it attached to your belt loop. Don't leave it lying on a counter or hanging on a nail. Put it in a wrapper, put it in a plastic bag, and secure it in a safe place. Let's talk about eye and face protection. When performing tasks that create sparks or flying debris, face and eye protection is required, not one or the other, but both. Along those lines, hearing protection. Activities louder than 85 dBA require the use of hearing protection. Let's talk about hand protection. Gloves are required while working. Cut level 4 is the minimal allowable. Let's talk about the proper use of GFCIs, or ground fault circuit interrupters. GFCIs must be installed at the source of the power and not in line and not at the tool. Let's talk about respirable silica dust once again. Concrete breaking, including chipping, requires the use of water at the point of impact, and if indoors, the use of respiratory protection. Not one or the other, but both. Let's talk about moving our heavy equipment. When we have to move our heavy equipment from one job site to another on the U.S. highways or local highways, ensure that the heavy equipment is cleaned of all dirt, rocks, and debris prior to moving off-site using trucks on roads and highways. Debris from equipment hitting other vehicles can cause damage to other vehicles on the roadway, or perhaps cause accidents, or even worse yet, accidents with fatalities. Along the lines of equipment, report equipment mechanical issues or damages immediately. Equipment pre-use inspection is required. Make sure that all mechanical issues or damages are reported immediately so that repairs can be effected to avoid injury or costly delays to project production. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for this week's safety recap. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, toolbox safety topic videos, and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day. And remember, I will see you in the field. All right. We got that thing done. I think I did that in one take. Of course, I wrote this and anguished over it. Anyway, we have got her done, boys and girls. Thanks for watching.